Hello, guys. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good
Morning.
morning. Hello, Sis Punky. Hello, Mommy. Hello, Sis Dian. Hello, Sis Juliana. We have Sis Octavia, Sis
Oh,
Ray, Sis Cinta, Sis. This is Nuhi, right? And all of you guys here, welcome back to our class again. So, you guys, Sis Punky, how are you today this morning?
I am great. Very
Oh,
well, thank you.
really nice. If you are always good and great, really great, Sis Punky. Okay, Sis Dian, what about you? Sis Dian, how are you today, Sis Dian?
I'm good. Thank you, bro.
Oh, sure, you're good, right? That's the same with Sis Punky. Really great, everyone. And what about the others? Here is what about Sis Nuhi? Sis Nuhi, what's up, sis?
I'm good.
Very good. All right, Sis Nuhi, great job. Sis Nuhi, have you had your breakfast this morning?
Yes, I have.
Oh, really great. What do you have for your breakfast?
Uh,
Mhm. What do you eat for your breakfast?
fish fried.
Oh, fried fish. Is that right?
Yes.
Oh, sure. That must be delicious, though. Okay,
Mm.
really nice, isn't it? Thank you so much. Okay, so well everyone, kita buka dulu kelasnya ya. Sambil nunggu teman-teman kita yang lain nih. Alright, so Bro Zul, welcome back to our class again, Bro Zul. Really nice. Okay. Well, guys, good morning. Welcome back to our class again with Speaking Partner.
We
We
are the
are the
best
best
partner.
The
partner.
best
All
partner.
right. Are you? Okay. What's password, guys?
Smile.
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 All right. Thank you so much, everyone. It's really great, guys. Okay, guys. Today, guys, what day is today, everyone?
Wednesday.
That's a Wednesday,
Wednesday,
guys. That's a Wednesday, right? Okay.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Oh, really great day.
Thursday.
Halo, bro.
Okay. That's a Wednesday, yes, everyone. Okay. And by the way, guys, what this is like, what time is it right now? Jam berapa sekarang, guys? What time is it right now?
10 past
Four,
Ten
four
oh
past,
four.
9.
four past
4
10. Four
4
past
past
10.
10. Yeah, 4 past 10. Don't forget, if you want to use the British version, you need to say menitnya dulu baru jamnya. 4
4
past
past
10.
10.
Yes,
Oh,
that's right. Okay, great
Kalau
job, everyone.
gini, 10 o'clock past 10. Plus 5
Oh, 5 past 10,
o'clock.
Sis Pungki. Mm-mm.
Oh, ya, ya.
Okay,
Oke.
5. Menitnya dulu ya. Okay, great, Sis Pungki. Alright, so that's about the time right now. Actually, this is the same everyone ya, untuk WIB khususnya. Okay, so anyway, guys. Today we would like to learn new topic, everyone. Hari ini kita belajar topik baru nih. It's really nice topic. I think you have to know on this, right? Yesterday we just talked about food and culinary. Okay, and today's gonna be the new one. We are going to talk and learn about transportation. So we have vocabularies and practice the conversation. We have a lot of question, a lot of topic for you guys that you can use it for practice at the breakout room later. So let's try to figure it out. Here we go. Yes, we talk about transportation. Okay, transportation. You need to say transportation. Yeah, transportation. All right, guys. And I have like this. It's not totally game. So, guys, our country, especially in the big city, it's almost traffic jam every single day, right? I think you feel it, right? And in this time, I have like three sentence, okay? And this sentence will give us which one is the most cause of traffic jam. Mana nih, guys? Yang paling menjadi penyebab macet, guys. So the first one should be this one, guys. Okay. Traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by short time traffic light. Macet, traffic jam itu macet. Kemacetan di Indonesia disebabkan oleh short time traffic light. Jadi kayak what is the meaning of short time traffic lights, guys? Do you know?
Lampu merah.
Lampu merah,
Lampu.
ya, lampu merah itu yang pendek ya, cepet gitu, guys.
Mm-mm.
And the next
Waktunya
one,
terlalu singkat.
bener banget, that's right. The next one, guys, traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by a number of vehicles. Vehicles itu kendaraan, guys. Jadi penyebabnya macet ya di Indonesia itu dikarenakan banyaknya ini, guys. Number itu teman-teman belum dipakai ya cara seperti ini. Biasanya kita mau bilang banyak itu kan pakai many. Many books. You can say a number of books is okay, guys. Kalau ini a number of vehicles artinya banyaknya kendaraan-kendaraan. Gitu, guys. The third one, traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by disaster. It is flood. Disaster itu bencana alam.
Banjir.
Flood, banjir contohnya di sini. Ingat, cara bacanya bukan flood, okay? But it should be flood. Flood. Yeah, that's the correct pronounce. All right. Okay. So guys, anyone wants to give the opinion which one is lie? Okay. Oh, Mommy dulu nih. Come on, teman-teman yang mau boleh raise your hand ya, nanti Bro Vicky panggil.
Berarti number itu parafrasenya many gitu ya, Bro?
Bener banget, that's correct. Biasanya kalau kita mau bilang banyak pasti many kan, guys. Nah, many itu kayak basic banget gitu, teman-teman. So that's why you can say number of untuk bilang banyak, okay? Aman ya sini ya? Okay, Mommy, what about you? Which one is a lie? Which one is the correct one? Kita cari mana yang gak sesuai. Which one is a lie? Yo, Mommy,
Okay.
according to you, yeah.
I think the lie is number one.
Number one? Oh,
Yes.
sure. Give the reason.
In my opinion, traffic jam in Indonesia, especially in Jakarta, is usually caused by overpopulation of vehicles, flooding, especially during rainy seasons, and sometimes public demonstration, bro.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Really great. Oh, sure. So you answer this one is the lie is number one, the first sentence.
Yeah.
That's right. Oh, really great. Yeah, it makes sense. It's really good opinion, Mommy. Thank you so much. Great job.
Thank you so much, bro.
All right. So what about the second? Sis Dewi. I will choose 3 people today. Sis Dewi, what about you? Which one?
Hi, bro.
Hello. Yeah.
I think which one is a lie? I think the traffic jam Indonesia caused by disaster.
Disaster.
But yes, but
Oh.
I agree with the second statement.
The second
Because
statement, yeah.
like in my town, every people have private
Vehicle.
vehicle like car, motorcycle, and bus.
Yeah.
I think it's rail public transportation here.
Okay.
Actually, kecuali like
Accept.
like go-cars,
Oh.
Gojek, and the others. I think people prefer them than public transport. I
Oh,
think so.
that's right. So your answer it should be the third statement, right? Traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by disaster, and you agree with the second statement.
Yes, I agree with the second statement.
Really great, Dewi. Thank you so much. Lovely.
Thank you, bro.
All right, and what about this Juliana? This Juliana Indrawati. What about you? Which one is the most cause of traffic jam actually? And which one is a lie? All 3 statements here.
I think all the sentence is correct
Hey.
karena semuanya itu masuk ke faktor bikin macet.
Okay, so the
Mungkin
cause of the
untuk
traffic jam.
sentence
Yeah.
yang pertama, traffic jam in Indonesia caused by short time,
Why?
especially in Jogja.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. Di
Ah,
Jogja, where
yeah.
the traffic light have
Mhm.
short duration
Mm.
and always every 50 meters
Oh,
we meet traffic light again.
oh. So that's why that makes a traffic jam
Yeah.
right in over there in Jogja. Mhm.
Yeah.
Oh, really great. Okay, thank you so much. Really nice. So it's gonna be enough, Brazil. Okay, so guys, really great. So I think everyone has their own opinion about this, right? Okay. Actually, three of them is the cause. Yeah, three of them are the cause of traffic jam in Indonesia. But we have the common one. The common one, the first, it must be the second part, okay? The second statement. The first, yeah, because it has a lot of vehicles, a number of vehicles. And the second, it should be, maybe it could be traffic jam, or traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by disaster. Yeah, it can be, but not always. Karena mungkin flood, banjir, itu ketika musim hujan aja. Alright. And the traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by short-term traffic lights. It can be this well, okay? Kalau cepat nih guys ya, tiba-tiba kalau cepat short-term traffic light, pasti di depannya lagi bakal ada traffic light lagi. Okay, so that makes like traffic jam ya guys ya. Nah, so just about the warming up for this morning. Jadi untuk pembukaan aja ya teman-teman. You have your opinion, it's really great. So that's why in this level, don't be afraid to give your opinion about some things like the statement. What do you think? Just express what is in your mind about this case. Gonna be great. The next, it should be the others. Okay, guys, we have a lot of vocabularies. It's all about the common vocabularies about traffic, not traffic jam, transportation. All right, yang pertama, bus. Okay, I think you have known this one. I want to highlight here, bus. Di sini ada by. What is the meaning of by, guys? What is the meaning of by? Apa guys
Dengan,
artinya?
oleh.
Dengan, oleh, ya, boleh. Di sini kita konteksnya ini adalah transportation, so we should say dengan. And ada lagi guys teman-teman, with. Nah, dengar kan? With itu adalah juga dengan, that's the same, sama. But if you want to say, apa tuh bedanya Bro Fik, by sama with? Basically, sederhananya perbedaannya adalah by itu digunakan untuk sesuatu, teman-teman, penggunaan gitu guys ya. Semisal, I go to school by car. I go to school by motorcycle. By berarti lebih barang penggunaannya. Kalau with itu kayak bersama gitu guys ya. I go to school with my mother. I go to school with my friends. Ya, artinya dengan tapi bersama orang gitu. By khususnya lebih ke penggunaannya gitu ya guys. Dipakai apa gitu ya bahasa kita gitu. By bus, kalau menulis ya by pen kayak gitu. That's the difference. So in this time, if you want to say motorcycle atau transportasi, it is better you say by than with. Oke? Aman ya teman-teman? Itu bedanya. The next one is the first. Bus. Itu ya bus. Don't forget, we cannot say bus. Kita say bus. Nih guys, kendaraan. Yang paling tepat pengucapan kendaraan itu adalah bukan vehicle. Hanya nggak usah dibaca teman-teman. Just say vehicle is the correct one. Vehicle. Ini Bro Vicky tulis cara bacanya ya. Vehicle. That's it guys. Yeah, vehicle. Vehicle. The common mistake is just vehicle. No, guys. Vehicle. Okay? Got it ya? Vehicle. Lanjut nih. The next one, sepeda. Sepeda itu boleh pakai bicycle, boleh pakai bike actually. Okay? Bicycle is commonly used in American. And bike, it is for British, UK. Gitu guys ya. Bicycle. Ingat bacanya gini, profil atasnya nih. Bicycle. Okay. Bicycle. This is sepeda. or bike. Bike. Gitu ya. Terminal, bus station, mobil, car, motor. Motor itu ada dua juga, guys. Motorcycle itu dipakai untuk American accents. Kalau motorbike itu adalah British. Ya, guys ya. You can choose as you want. Terserah teman-teman ya. Motorcycle. Gak boleh kita bilang motorcycle meskipun tulisannya CYCLE sama kayak bicycle, cycle-nya ya guys ya. Tapi gak boleh dibaca motorcycle. That's motor. Ini guys bacanya. Motor. Okay. Cycle. Itu guys. Motorcycle. Alright. Motorbike. Nah, and that is jalan tol. You can say freeway. It's common. Freeway. Jalan raya, highway. Don't forget, GH-nya nggak dibaca. Dalam bahasa Inggris, G and H itu kadang-kadang dibaca. F kadang-kadang nggak dibaca. Jadi nggak dianggap gitu guys ya. Highway. Jadi bahasanya gini. Highway. Jadi ya. Highway. Iya, gak direken. Gak dianggap guys. GH-nya itu ada tapi gak dianggap. Ya kayak siapa guys? Ada gak dianggap?
Kayak Brufik.
Oh, sakit banget pasti guys ya. It's alright guys. Highway. Jalan raya. Jalan kereta. I think you have known this one. Rail. We cannot say rail. The common mistake if you want to pronounce it is rail. No. It should be rail. Ini cara bacanya. Oke. Keretanya train, not train. Oke, sama. A-nya dibaca E. So train like this one. Pesawat airplane atau hanya plane aja juga boleh. Airplane, plane is right. Okay. Taxi is taxi. The same guys. Taxi itu taxi. If you want to say taxi itu lebih ke ini guys ya. How we say that one? Kayak ojek tapi mobil gitu guys. Taksi ya. Apapun taksinya mau angkot apapun tetap pakai taksi. Dan di sana nggak ada angkot. Bilangnya ya kalau mobil itu pasti taksi teman-teman ya. Alright. Kalau the next one is kereta bawah tanah, subway. You should say this one. Subway. Itu teman-teman. Subway. Okay. And then is kapal. Nah, di sini kapalnya beda-beda, guys. Kapal yang paling kecil, okay, you can say boat. Yang sedengan itu adalah ship. Kalau kapal besar, you can say ferry. Itu guys ya. It should be boat. Itu guys ya. Ship and ferry. Itu guys. Pelabuhan is port or harbor. Don't forget ini bacanya harbor ya. Harbor. Itu. And then is becak. Guys, becak just say handicap. Handicap. Iya, just say handicap. Teman-teman boleh bilangnya gini. Handicap. Boleh atau handicap. Juga nggak apa-apa. But I suggest you handicap is the common pronounce. Okay? Handicap. Delman. Ya guys ya. Carriage. Carriage. Dibaca J guys. Carriage. Carriage. Okay. Harga is price, not price. It should be price. Price. Bolak-balik ya kayak teman-teman itu PP gitu guys. Bolak-balik ke sana ke sini gitu guys ya. Bolak-balik pulang pergi gitu. You can say back and forth atau commute. Makanya ada commuter line. Itu guys ya. Jadi kata ini back and forth. Teman-teman digabungin ya. Backhand. Ingat guys, kalau ada K sama ada suara ya, bukan huruf. Suara konsonan ketemu vokal digabungin teman-teman biar bagus speaking kita. Backhand. Back and forth. And commute. Bolak-balik. That's the same ya. Teman-teman mau pakai ini boleh. Oke. Commute. Kayak ada T-nya suaranya. Commute. Commute, bolak-balik. SIM, you can say driving license. Okay. Driving license. License. Gitu guys ya. Okay. Driving license. That's it, everyone. Yeah. So those are the vocabulary today, guys. Yep. Okay. Just kidding, yeah, bro. Fig. Oh, it's okay, mommy. It's totally fine. I know it. Don't worry. Okay, that's it, everyone. Yeah. Okay, I think that's gonna be enough for that. Okay, the next it should be the others. Coba teman-teman. This is gonna be enough for. I think this one. Apalagi nih, guys. If you wanna say what else, maybe that's gonna be enough. I think. Okay. Oh, ini guys, teman-teman. Tadi kan mau bilang taksi, itu kan taksinya mobil ya, gitu. Berarti angkot mobil gitu, guys. Kalau sepeda atau motor, do you know, guys? How do you say that one? Sepeda atau motor? What is it?
Bicycle or
Bicycle. Ojeknya, guys.
apa?
Ojek motor maksudnya.
Gojek.
Gojek. Oke. Alright. Teman-teman boleh pakai taksi. Taksi itu lebih ke taksi mobil gitu, guys. Berarti kendaraannya mobil. Kalau teman-teman bilang gini, mau bilang ojek motor, berpikir terus di bawahnya sini ya. You can say this is taxi bike. Jadi tetap pakai taksi tapi pakai bike. Gitu ya. Taksi bike itu adalah ojek motor. Yes. Taxi bike, ojek motor. Gitu guys ya. And if you want to say tadi kan becak kan pedicab. Kalau becak motor biasanya kita bilang bemo gitu guys. Do you know that one? Apa guys bemo? So, bemo sebenarnya tidak ada ya di Eropa itu. Cuma kita bisa menggunakan kata ini guys. The common use. Teman-teman mau bilang bemo, becak motor. Sekarang kan becak pakai mesin ya. Oke, tidak di pedal lagi. So it should
Bentor,
be
Blue Fig.
bentor. Oke, becak motor ya. Oke, iya. Guys, you can say tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk itu adalah bemo, bentor. Ya, terserah teman bahasanya gimana? Bemo, bentor, becak motor, anything teman-teman ya, itu ya. Tuk-tuk. Alright, everyone. That's it, everyone ya. Tuk-tuk, no tak-tak ya. Tuk-tuk. This one. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be enough for that one. It's really great. Okay, I think that's gonna be enough. Coba teman-teman terukan Bro Vicky semua nih. Tetap di mute ya microphone-nya, guys. Just turn off your microphone. Okay, and just repeat after me, okay? Repeat after me, guys. Bus. Vehicle. Bicycle. Bike. Bus station. Car. Motorcycle. Motorbike. Freeway. Highway. Rail. Train. Airplane. Taxi. Subway. Boat. Ship. Ferry. Port. Harbor. Pedicab. Carriage. Price. Back and forth. Commute. Driving license. Really great, everyone. You are so great. So come on, guys. Anyone wants to practice this? What? Bajai. Bajai itu sama ya, teman-teman. Bajai itu teman-teman boleh pakai tuk-tuk juga boleh, teman-teman. Karena di situ di Eropa nggak ada ya, udah seperti ini. Teman-teman boleh pakai tuk-tuk untuk bilang bajai juga boleh. Oke. Atau untuk ini karena bajai bemo itu terkenal di Asia ya guys ya. So just say tuk-tuk is the same modelnya. Okay? Alright guys, so come on. Start from Sis Jenny first. Sis Jenny, you can
Oh,
rate this. Start from bus until taxi ya. Come on, let's
okay.
go.
Bus,
Yep.
vehicle,
Mhm.
bicycle, bike, bus station, car, motorcycle, motorbike, freeway, highway, rail, train, airplane, taxi.
All right, taxi. Great. Thank you so much, Sis Jenny. Great job. And what about Teta? Okay, Brigita, hello.
Hello, bro.
Yeah, start from subway until driving license, Brigita. Let's go.
Subway, boat,
Hmm?
ship, ferry, harbor.
Nih, port.
Ped- Oh ya, port, harbor,
Hmm?
pedicab, carriage, price, back and forth, commute, driving lines,
License.
driving license.
Yeah, license. It's gonna be driving license is the correct one. Okay, Brigita?
Bro.
Good job, Brigita. You are so nice. Okay, what about the
Bro.
next? Brazil. Brazil, it's your time, Brazil. Bus until taxi, right?
Okay,
Let's go.
okay. Bus, vehicle, bicycle, bike, bus station, car, motorcycle, motorbike, freeway, highway, rail, train, airplane, taxi.
Okay, great job, Brazil. Thank you so much. Really nice. And the last one, guys, I think Sisias. Okay, Sisias. Take your time, Sisias. Let's go.
Okay.
Subway until driving license. Okay.
Okay. Subway, boat, ship, ferry, port, harbor, pedicab, carriage, price, back and forth, commute, driving license,
License.
license. Okay.
That's great.
you.
All right. Thank you so much, Yes, you're so nice. Okay, guys. So those are the vocabularies. Yeah, this is like the common transportation that we can use. Okay. So kalau kita belajar transportasi semua itu banyak jenisnya, guys ya. It's just the common one. Okay. Coba guys, let's try to remember quickly. I will try to close it. And guys, how do you say kendaraan? Apa kendaraan, guys? What is it, everyone?
Vehicle,
Ingat,
Vehicle,
hanya nggak dibaca, berarti gimana?
Vehicle.
Yeah,
vehicle,
vehicle.
vehicle,
Yes, that's right. What about sepeda?
bicycle,
Bicycle. Okay. Or you can say bike juga nggak apa-apa. It's okay. What about terminal?
Bus station.
Iya, bus station.
Station.
Kalau bisnya apa bis?
Bus.
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 Okay. And what about motor, guys? Motor.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle. Iya. Motorbike juga boleh. Jalan raya.
Freeway.
highway,
Jalan raya is highway. Kalau jalan kereta?
Rail.
Rail. Jalan tol?
Freeway.
freeway,
Kalau jalan-jalan?
walk around,
Alright, okay. Just walk
Take a walk.
around. Take a walk. It's alright, guys. Ya, tergantung jalan-jalannya gimana. Okay. If you want to say jalan-jalan liburan, just say traveling. Jalan-jalan sekitar rumah aja, just walk around. Gitu ya. Take a walk is just normal jalan-jalan. Okay. Alright. So that is, guys, what is pesawat?
Airplane.
Airplane. Okay. You can say airplane. It's okay. Or airplane.
airplane,
Totally fine. Boleh ya. Okay. And then is kereta, guys. Train. Okay. The next one, guys. What about pelabuhan in English?
Harbor.
Harbor.
Harbor or port.
Harbor.
Ya.
Harbor.
Kereta bawah tanah.
Subway.
Subway.
Subway. Ini guys, delman.
Pedicab.
Carriage.
Iya. Delman is carriage. Oke,
Carriage.
carriage. Kalau becak baru
Pedicab.
pedicab. Alright.
Carriage.
That's a
Pedicab.
pedicab. Okay. Alright. And that is what about bolak-balik nih?
Commute.
And
Back
forth.
and
Back
forth.
and
Commute
forth.
is good.
Commute.
Okay.
Commute.
Sim.
Driving license.
Driving license.
Yeah, driving
Driving
license.
license.
Really great, everyone.
Driving license.
Yes, great, guys. So you have remembered well, and we have learned all the vocabulary today. It's really great. So do you have a questions, guys? Dapat nggak nih, guys? Kosakata nih. It's enough, yeah? Okay, great job. Okay, guys, the next one, you need to practice about this. Nah, di basic 2 itu praktisnya lebih banyak karena kita harus ngomong banyak ya guys ya. So that's why we have this, guys. I have a question. Ini sama yang kayak Bro Vicky tadi kirim ya. So, do you prefer using public transportation or private transportation? Why? What is the meaning of prefer, guys? Prefer. What is prefer?
Lebih suka.
Lebih suka. And don't forget, guys, kalau kita menggunakan prefer, kita nanti nggak boleh ya. I prefer use. Ya, nggak boleh. I prefer to. No, it is better you say I prefer langsung diikuti verb ing. Yang paling tepat seperti itu. For example, ini guys, prefer lebih suka diikuti verb ing. Verb ing atau noun kata benda ya sebenarnya. Kalau pakai verb berarti ya prefer using. Oke, I prefer using apa nih? Car daripada nggak boleh pakai than. Kita menggunakan to. Ya guys ya, gitu. Oke. I prefer using apa nih? Car to body, guys. So, ya, it's gonna be that one. Nggak boleh kita pakai prefer than. Kalau would atau kalau you want to say lebih suka, is gonna be prefer is better, everyone. Yep. Nggak boleh kita pakai you can say what more like. No, that's a prefer. Ikuti verb ing. I prefer car to motorcycle. Boleh langsung bendanya. Is alright. Itu teman-teman ya.
Kenapa
Public.
kenapa harus to bukan then?
Itu udah pasangannya, bro. Seperti itu. Oke. Udah pasangannya memang prefer harus diikuti to untuk perbandingannya. Oke. Kalau mau bilang then itu pakai would rather. I would rather use car than use by, gitu guys ya. Gitu. Memang seperti itu secara grammar. Oke, bro. Aman ya? Oke, that's one. Jadi nggak semua to atau yang lain itu diartikan untuk ya guys ya atau kepada. So depends on the sentence. Itulah bahasa Inggris teman-teman. Oke. Lanjut dulu guys. Do you have car sick or seasick? How to deal with it? Car sick itu adalah mabuk darat, guys. Kita mabuk. Seasick itu mabuk laut. Car sick, seasick. Do you have a car sick? Do you have a seasick? Nah nih guys. How to deal with it? Gimana cara teman-teman itu ketika mabuk? Gimana tuh berlainya? Oke. What is famous transportation in Indonesia? Menurut teman-teman apa sih guys? The famous transportation in Indonesia. And then what is the most useful transportation in your city? Kalau transportasi paling sering digunakan orang-orang di kota kalian apa? And why? With the reason. How do you go to your school or work? Kalau masuk sekolah, how do you go to school? Kalau di sini sudah bekerja, ya how do you go to your work? Okay? Public transportation itu adalah sebuah transportasi publik, transportasi umum. Itu guys ya. Lanjut nih. We still have another. Have you ever used carriage? What is carriage? Tadi apa guys carriage?
Delman.
Delman.
Delman. Apakah teman-teman sudah pernah memakai Delman? When? Ingat guys ya, kalau ditanya
pernah.
have berarti ya, yes I have, no I have not. Yes I have ever used carriage. Gitu guys ya. Gak pernah, never. No I have not. I have never used carriage. Or just say I never used carriage. It's okay. And why? Gitu ya. Do you think?
I have
Kenapa?
never tried. Kalau I have never tried riding a carriage.
Yeah, I have never tried juga gak apa-apa. It's alright.
Okay. And I will never to try it.
Why? It's good, right?
Because
Okay.
it is not human.
Oh yes, that's right, everyone. That's the animal rights. Great, mommy. And then there's
Yeah.
one. Guys, do you think our public transportation is expensive? Nah, jadi teman-teman diminta nih untuk memberikan pendapat. Menurut teman-teman, do you think our public transportation is expensive? Itu mahal? What do you think? Kalau iya, kenapa? Kalau enggak, kenapa? Give the reason. Always give the reason, teman-teman. What transportation do all people have? Menurut teman-teman nih, apa transportasi apa yang kebanyakan orang itu punya? And then is, what should we change? Bahasanya change. Gak boleh change ya. What should we change about our transport in Indonesia? Menurut teman-teman lagi nih, apa yang sebaiknya kita ubah tentang transportasi di Indonesia nih? Transportasi kita yang perlu diubah apa nih menurut teman-teman nih? And then is, you can tell it further, okay?
Yes.
Do we need driving license when we want to use vehicle? And why?
Yes,
Apa
of
kita itu
course.
butuh yang namanya SIM, guys? Ketika kita
Betul.
mau menggunakan kendaraan, gitu guys ya. You got it, everyone ya. Gitu. Okay guys, I think that's gonna be enough for that one. It's really good. Ini teman-temannya. Jadi berpikir mau highlight lagi nih. Ini nih guys. Prefer verb ing noun to verb ing atau noun. Kalau dibaca, I prefer using public transportation to using a private transportation. Atau langsung aja, I prefer public transportation to private transportation. Itu ya bilangnya. Kalau pakai teman-teman mau bilang ini, prefer itu berarti ya lebih suka gitu guys ya. Saya lebih suka. Kalau mending, saya mending ini. Mending itu mostly you can use would rather. Tadi Prof bilang. Guys ya. Would rather. Kalau ini guys diikuti verb one teman-teman. Verb one. Jadi nggak boleh kita pakai verb ing. Nggak boleh pakai to juga. I would rather to. Okay. I prefer to. Actually we don't need to use to for that. Prefer baru noun dan atau verb ing gitu ya. I would rather use public transportation. Habis itu guys, ini ya. Than. Nah, ini daripada baru pakai than. Gitu guys ya. Itu guys. Semuanya konteksnya sama. Okay? So depends on you, everyone. Kalau ditanya, do you prefer, pengen jawab pakai would rather, boleh nggak Bro Fik? It's alright. It's totally fine. Itu ya. Okay. So guys, I think that's gonna be enough for that. Do you have a question before we practice on breakout room, guys? Ada yang pertanyaan nih. Aman ya semuanya? Clear? Oke. Semuanya ikut praktis ya di breakout room karena sesi praktis ngomong itu penting banget. Kita belajar teori tanpa belajar praktis ngomong itu is gonna be hard and it could be nothing guys. Karena bahasa itu belajar komunikasi. Namanya komunikasi harus ngomong guys. So that's why we have a time to practice. Okay? So guys, nanti teman-teman langsung masuk breakout room dan di-share ya teman-teman salah satu share screen aja biar tinggal baca. Tidak lihat HP, jawab lagi gitu guys ya. Okay? It's really good. Karena sama kayak Bro Vicky tadi share di grup. How many people here guys? Right. I want to make it like, what about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Coba nih. Oke, ini terlalu banyak. Oke, ini aja guys. Oke. Nanti ada yang 4 ya, teman-teman. Ada yang 4. Oke. Right. Masuk semua ya, teman-teman. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go. Langsung masuk, langsung dimulai. Lebih baik dibuka kameranya biar asik ngobrolnya ya. Jangan nunggu-nunggu, langsung dimulai aja guys. Oke, see you there guys. Sampai ketemu di sana.
I want to I confused about different private transportation and public transportation. If we use like from company Grab, Maxim, or Gojek, there we call also public transportation or private transportation because we only we use that.
So just say public transportation, says for that one. Private transportation is just for you. I mean, the transportation is yours. Miliknya sis Yani sendiri. This is public. This is a private transportation actually. But if you want to say kayak Gojek, it just say public transportation is alright. Okay.
Yeah.
It's totally fine. Itu bedanya
Okay,
paling
bro.
mudah ya. Okay, di sini. Great.
Okay, bro.
Sure. Okay, what a second. Masih ada yang nyangkut nih guys di grup. Okay. Alright, so that's about it. Alright, guys, everyone, welcome back to the main room. Thank you so much, everyone, for practicing today. That was the last topic. You talk about transportation. You as parents, when you use that transportation, okay, it's really, really cool, guys. Really nice. Okay, the next one, before I give you the feedback for today, I would like to ask one of you guys to have the 1 minute challenge. Okay.
Okay.
You must be ready though. For today, the first day, right? This time, guys, I would like to ask, what about? You must be ready though. Okay. It should
Ready?
be mommy. Okay, mommy, it's your time.
Okay.
Okay, mommy. I give you
Okay.
1 minute. Yeah. You need to
Okay, bro. I
you
will
need to
try.
just tell or yes, just tell us your discussion and breakout with your friends before, okay?
Okay,
Mommy, siap
bro.
ya?
I
Okay.
will try.
All right. 1, 2, 3, go. Time is yours.
Okay. Thank you for opportunity. Today in a breakout room, I met some new friend. We talk about transportation in our country. I shared that I live in Jakarta. I never use public transportation like MRT, KRL, or HYS busway. I usually drive my own car and order to go car when I feel tired. And in the break room, we also discuss about corruption in Indonesia.
Wow.
Yes, I believe if there were no corruption or public transportation and or public facilities in our country, it could be clean, safe, and comfortable for everyone. Yeah. So if I were to be president, I will kill all corruptor in Indonesia. Do you
Wow.
agree, bro?
Yes, why not? Must
Yeah.
agree with you. Okay.
Exactly.
You must
I've
agree,
never
right?
tried riding a carriage, and I will never to try because I am an animal lover.
Oh, sure.
And
Okay, great.
I believe
Okay.
in
Okay.
using animal to pull heavy load is I think not human.
Oh, that's just humanity. Okay, great,
Yeah.
mommy. Thank you so much, mommy. That was a
Thank
nice
you.
discussion, I think, with your
Yeah.
friends on the breakout room. Really nice.
Thank you,
Okay.
bro.
All right, guys. Guys, I want to highlight here. Bro Vicky mau highlight ini nih, guys. From
Yeah.
your discussion and breakout room nanti semuanya. Bro Vicky kasih feedback secara umum semuanya. Guys,
Okay.
the first is let's talk about the vocabularies first. Yang pertama, guys, teman-teman mau bilang peron atau peron di kereta api itu, guys. You know, right? In English, you can say platform.
Platform.
Iya, platform itu peron, guys. Yeah, platform. Then if you say, how we say that one, guys? This is like palang pintu kereta api. Dia yang bilang, guys, what is palang pintu kereta api? Anyone knows? Palang pintu kereta api, you can say railway barrier. Nih, guys. Okay. Just say, yeah, railway barrier. Railway barrier. Itu palang pintu, guys. Palang pintu. Kereta api. Ini, guys, ya. Okay. Railway barrier. just say palang pintu kereta api. And then if you want to say pedagang kelontong, pasti dulu banyak nih. Okay, you ride a bus, okay, you go by bus, I think ada pedagang kelontong kayak gitu. This is hawkers, guys. Okay, hawkers. Hawkers itu adalah pedagang kelontong. Pedagang kelontong.
Kalau jalan utama Main Street.
Yes, jalan utama. So actually, just say that it's okay. The main street is totally fine. Just okay. Tahu tergantung ya jalannya. But if you want to say jalan utama, yeah, it's okay. You want to say the main street is totally fine. Okay. Address, yeah, jalan utama, just say that one. It's okay. Or actually, jalan utama itu kan kayak jalan raya gitu kan? Is it the same? What do you think? Kalau konteksnya jalan raya,
Different, I think, because in
different.
the city we have 2 or jalan rayanya banyak biasanya kan, Bro.
Okay.
Jadi ada misalnya kalau ke gang itu kan jalan utamanya di sana kan sering dalam bahasa Indonesia kan seperti
Yeah.
itu.
Just say kalau memang jalannya menurut jalan raya, jalan utama kota gitu, just say highway, guys ya. Apapun namanya bahasa Indonesia, just say highway. But if you want a specific one, yeah, you can say main road, main street is totally fine. Itu ya.
Seperti
Dan utama,
ya jalan rumah saya ini kan jalan raya Puncak, jadi highway juga.
Yes, you can say that. You can say highway. Highway itu mostly jalannya emang jalan lalu lintas ya guys ya, kayak jalur kota gitu. This is highway. But if you want a specific one, you can say main road. Just mungkin in front of my house, it is main road. Itu boleh. Berarti lebih jalan yang menjadi jalur utama, jalur penting mau ke suatu tujuan. It's okay. Itu ya. That's one. Main road. And then guys, the next one, tadi bis tingkat. Guys, what is bis tingkat? This is double
bus.
Double decker. Iya, guys. Double decker. Iya. Double decker. Ini adalah bis tingkat.
Like bis from Surabaya, Jakarta.
Oh, that's right. This is double decker. Good job. Turun. What is turun, guys? Get
down.
Get off. Get off, guys. Get off itu turun. Ya, guys, turun. Kalau naik berarti
Get up.
Get on. Iya, that's it one, guys. Get on. Itu, guys. Okay. Get on. Wait.
Habis. Jadi belajar nih, Dak.
Turun, naik ya tadi. Okay.
Dulu belajar. Sekarang
wait, guys.
Begitu tahu lah apa.
Oke, berpikir dulu ya teman-teman. Oke, lanjut dulu guys. The next one, if you wanna say, tadi teman-teman mau bilang kursi yang dekat jendela. Jadi mau duduk itu guys, sukanya di kursi yang dekat jendela. Nah, kursi dekat jendela, you can say window seat. Just say that one guys.
Window seat.
Iya, window seat. This one. Ini adalah kursi. Wait second. Kursi dekat jendela.
Kalau naik pesawat pengennya window seat.
Iya, that's right. Right, guys. Okay. That's it everyone ya. Oke. Apa? Sesuai lorong apa?
Lorong pesawat tuh. Kalau pilih tempat duduk mau di jendela atau di lorong, Bu, gitu.
Oh iya, oke. Jika jendela berarti just say window seats everyone ya. Okay. But if you wanna say lorong is Kenapa lorong, guys? Itu teman-teman boleh.
Mabuk udara apa ya tadi ya? Mabuk udara.
We can say that one. Just say you want to say air sick. So actually, guys, actually just say car sick, seasick, or air sick is okay. If you want to say mabuk, ya, so depends on that one. Okay, itu teman-teman ya. Okay. Kalau yes, I think that's gonna be enough, guys, for this time. And then I want to highlight here. It is about wait a second. Ada apa nih? Gak single apa gang, what is that? Okay, guys, the next one, if you want to say ini guys, Bro Vicky mau highlight gini nih, teman-teman. Jadi enggak semua kata kerja itu pasti diingkan gitu guys ya. Semisal nih, saya menggunakan mobil ini, kita nggak boleh bilang I using. Jadi nggak semua pakai ing. So it depends on the sentence, ya. Kalau normal simple present aja berarti pakai verb one. I use this motorcycle. I use public transportation. Okay, that's one. I use public transportation, not I using. Okay, so kalau teman-teman mau bilang using, lebih baik itu kalian ini guys. We can say like I am using. Jadi konteksnya dimasukin ke present continuous, ada to be-nya. I am, you are, we are, they are, she is using a public transportation. Gitu ya, teman-teman. Oke, jadi nggak boleh langsung I using. Right? Itu teman-teman ya. Okay, guys. I think that's gonna be enough for today. Overall, you're so good for today, guys. Really nice. Okay?
Bro Vic,
Yeah.
itu tadi kursi lorong aisle seat, betul?
Oh, aisle seat, kursi lorong ini yang di pesawat ya, sis ya? Is that
Ya,
right? Okay.
benar.
So actually, you can say that, teman-teman, untuk how we say that one ya? Bahasanya itu bahasa Indonesianya apa? This Pungki tadi kursi lorong.
Kan mau duduk di mana? Jendela atau di lorong? And then di lorong, di pinggir.
Okay,
Which
yeah,
one?
you can say that. It's totally fine, sis.
Aisle seat.
Atau teman-teman pakai how we say that one, guys? Actually, untuk bilang I forgot, guys. Wait a second. Untuk bilang ini di tengah-tengah jalannya itu kan? Is that right, sis Pungki?
Iya.
Wait a second. I will find it first, guys.
Aisle seat, coach.
What?
Aisle seat.
Aisle seat.
Aisle seat.
Aisle, bacanya aisle seat.
Aisle seat. Oh yeah. Oh sure. Wait a second. I will check it. Yeah, that's right, guys. That's correct, sis. Aisle seat. You can say that.
Aisle seat. Yeah.
Or just say cabin. It's okay, cabin. Kabinnya, guys. Berarti kan itu di interior dalam pesawat ya. Tapi kalau spesifik duduknya ya aisle seat. Benar banget ya, guys ya. Okay, that's great. Thank you so much, sis. All right. That's what everyone ya. Okay. I think that's gonna be enough for that. So, kalau tadi ada yang tanya apa lagi, guys? Wait a moment. Aisle seat. Oh, gang. Gang. So depends ya teman-teman. Kalau konteksnya itu gangnya gang, yes, teman-teman boleh pakai a lane is okay, guys.
A lane.
Iya. Atau pakai actually the calm is just a lane, itu untuk bilang gang ya. Teman-teman, wait. Gang. Gitu ya. Alright, you can say. Ini Bro Vic itu di atas sini. Kelihatan nggak, teman-teman?
Oh iya.
Okay,
Atau
that's it. Lane or just say alley. Alley. Itu ya bacanya. Alley. Itu adalah gang, teman-teman ya. Okay. Yeah, that's right, everyone. Okay. Tadi ya, teman-teman, kalau kalian mau bilang how we say that one tadi, lorongnya atau interior dalam pesawat di dalamnya itu, guys ya, you can say cabin. But if you want to say yang dimaksud sis Pungki tadi tempat duduknya ya, so just say L seat. It's really great. Okay. All right, guys. I think that's gonna be enough for today. We have done this learning about transportation. Should it be great one for you guys? Okay. So guys, I think that's gonna be enough for today. So last time before we end the class, do you have any questions, everyone? Any guess? Aman ya? Okay. So guys, before we end the word of today, kata-kata hari ini, guys. Anyone wants to give it kata-kata hari ini, guys? Mommy? Okay, mommy again? Okay, so well done. Come on. Okay. Sis Daniar, next time ya. Tomorrow I will call you Sis Daniar. All right. Come on, mommy. 1, 2, 3, go. Kata-kata hari ini. Mommy.
Yes, a truly advanced nation is not defined by its buildings or highways, but by how it treats its people, its public service, and even its animal.
Wow, really great. So you have written here actually, this is mommy, and really good. A truly advanced nation is not defined by. I love that word. Really great, mommy. Thank you so much for having a great words of today.
Yeah.
Really
Do you
nice.
agree, bro?
Okay, yes, of course, why not? Okay,
Yes.
guys, I think that's gonna be enough for today, guys. Yeah, we have done it learning today. Okay, and by the way, guys, untuk practice conversation-nya, guys, teman-teman biar nggak nunggu-nunggu ya ketika practice di breakout room. Jadi teman-teman satu pertanyaan kan itu random ya, guys. Teman-teman nggak harus urut kok. Mau random juga
Oh,
nggak
okay, okay.
apa-apa. It's totally fine.
Mhm.
Itu guys ya. Dan gantian guys, misal ada Sis Pungki, Brunov, Brunovian, Disdian satu room, nanti gantian. Soal pertama Sis Pungki yang tanya, yang lain jawab dulu satu-satu. Udah selesai gantian. Ganti Brunov yang tanya nomor 2 dan sebagainya seperti itu guys. Biar yang lain nggak nunggu. Jadi tidak satu orang langsung semua pertanyaan, nanti kasih yang nunggu. Oke. Satu
Iya.
pertanyaan dibahas dulu
Iya.
satu-satu gitu guys. It's better. Gitu ya. Yang tanya juga gantian nanti. Gitu ya
Iya.
teman-teman. Alright
Oke.
guys, that's gonna be enough for today guys. We will meet again tomorrow at the same time. Okay, and the last I say, speaking partner.
We are the best
The best partner.
partner.
What's password guys?
Smile.
Bye bye everyone. See you
Bye
tomorrow. Have a great
bye.
day.
Bye
Catch you soon.
bye. Bye bye, bro.
Bye.